Baden here, third generation diesel expert, pulling bits and pieces off this 1HZ Land Cruiser. It's in for a turbo today, and it's also getting a very important thing done to it, fuel injection system service. That'll cover the injectors and pump settings, and that's quite important because it's done quite a few 100,000 Ks, and if we're going to put the turbo on, we may as well make sure that everything in the fuel system's right. So I'll come back later on and have a bit of a look at what's going on with these injectors, but by the time we do, they'll all be out and on the pop tester, and we'll see how they come up. For more information, you can go to berrimadiesel.com, keep watching this Facebook, or check the uploads that we put up on YouTube from time to time.